Most gardeners in Zone 5 stop planting in August, big mistake. The truth they never told you is that this month holds hidden planting secrets that can completely transform your fall garden. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what others wish they had planted now. Now, let's talk about the true stars of your August garden vegetables that still have plenty of time to grow, mature, and deliver a bountiful fall harvest in Zone 5. First up, radishes. These are among the fastest growing crops out there, with some varieties ready to harvest in just 25 days. Plant them now and you can enjoy multiple harvests before the first frost. For quick results, try fast-maturing types like cherry belle or French breakfast. Next, lettuce. The cooler August nights actually help lettuce thrive, reducing the risk of bolting. Opt for loose-leaf varieties such as black-seeded Simpson or sales for a continuous supply of fresh greens into October. Sow seeds every 7 to 10 days. And don't forget spinach! This cool weather favorite will shine as temperatures drop. Start your seeds now, and in just a few weeks, you'll have tender, flavorful leaves. Plus, spinach can withstand a light frost, extending your harvest window even further. Don't overlook turnips and beets. These root crops take about 50 to 60 days to mature, so if you plant them now, you'll be harvesting just in time before the ground freezes. And here's a bonus: you can enjoy both the roots and the greens. Carrots are another great option for late summer planting, especially fast-maturing varieties. Just make sure to keep the soil consistently moist until germination. Warm soil can slow down sprouting, so patience is key. Want a quick and rewarding crop? Try bush beans. Some varieties mature in just 50 to 55 days, making them a perfect fit for Zone 5's August planting window. But remember, beans can't handle frost, so don't wait too late in the month to sow them. Timing is everything in gardening, and by choosing fast-growing vegetables now, you can enjoy a second harvest of fresh homegrown produce just when most people think the season is done. And here's a pro tip. If you think August is too late to add color and life to your garden, think again. Late summer is actually an ideal time to plant flowers and ornamentals that will brighten your space now and keep your garden looking stunning well into fall. Let's start with pansies. These resilient, cool weather charmers will keep blooming deep into fall, even shrugging off light frosts. Their vibrant colors instantly revive tired garden beds, and they're a magnet for pollinators too. Next, we have the undisputed queens of autumn, mums chrysanthemums, with their rich, warm hues of burgundy, gold, and orange. They're nature's perfect complement to fall's color palette. Plant them in August for spectacular blooms that last through October. For something truly unique, try ornamental kale or flowering cabbage. While not traditional blooms, their striking foliage in dramatic purples, creamy whites, and deep greens adds incredible texture and architectural interest to borders and containers. Bonus, they actually improve in appearance as temperatures drop. Don't overlook black-eyed Susans either. If you can find starter plants or fast-growing varieties, they'll establish quickly and keep attracting bees and butterflies right up until the first hard frost. Container gardeners, take note. Marigolds are your secret weapon. These rapid growers do double-duty pest control and non-stop color with their cheerful golden and orange blooms brightening any space. By planting these now, you're not just extending your garden season, you're setting the stage for a spectacular grand finale. Think it's too late for fresh herbs? Think again. August is actually the perfect time to plant fast-growing, cool, weather-loving herbs that will thrive as temperatures begin to drop. First up, cilantro. This quick-growing herb performs much better in cooler weather with less bolting. Plant it in partial shade and you'll be harvesting fragrant leaves in just 3-4 weeks. With some luck, it might even reseed itself if conditions stay favorable. Don't forget about dill! Maturing in just 40-50 days, this herb loves cooler nights and does double duty, providing fresh flavor while attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and pollinators. Pro tip: regular harvesting encourages more growth before frost arrives. For a more cold-tolerant option, try parsley. While it takes longer to mature, about 70 days, it can withstand light frosts better than most herbs. Plant it now for a steady supply of fresh leaves well into late fall. The best part: these easy-to-grow herbs will keep your kitchen stocked with fresh flavors just as other garden crops are finishing up. So, don't overlook the herb section. August offers fantastic planting opportunities for the right varieties. You might be surprised to learn that some of the most flavorful harvests come from late-season plantings. Here in Zone 5, August offers a golden opportunity for one last round of fall vegetables, but timing is everything. First up, arugula, the speedster of the garden. Ready in just 20-30 days, this peppery green thrives in cooler weather. For continuous harvests, sow seeds every 10 days until frost. Kale deserves a special mention as the undisputed champion of fall gardens. Not only does it withstand chilly temperatures, but its flavor actually sweetens after a light frost. Opt for baby kale varieties to enjoy harvests in just 30-45 days. For Asian-inspired dishes, consider bok choy or tatsoi. These versatile greens mature in about 30 days and add wonderful texture to stir-fries and soups as the weather cools. Swiss chard makes our list too. While it's not as cold-hardy as Kale, starting with transplants can yield several harvests before the first hard freeze. Pro tip: don't overlook mustard greens or mesclun mixes. These fast-growing, frost-tolerant options pack a flavor punch. Just remember to maintain consistent moisture and be ready with row covers if temperatures dip unexpectedly. With smart selections like these, your garden can keep producing delicious, fresh greens well into the cooler months. That's the beauty of late-season planting. In Zone 5, where the first frost typically arrives between mid to late October, timing becomes your most valuable gardening tool. Right now is your chance to plant quick-growing varieties that will yield an impressive harvest just as most gardens are winding down. Before you begin, here are some crucial tips to maximize your success. First, always know your frost dates in our zone. October 15th to 25th serves as your deadline. Check seed packets for days to maturity and count backward to ensure you have enough growing time. Second, prioritize fast-maturing crops and baby varieties. These are your safest bets in August's limited window. Third, maintain consistent watering, especially during the first critical 10 days after planting, as summer heat can still stress young plants.
Fourth, resist the temptation to overcrowd. Proper spacing ensures healthy airflow and prevents disease.
Finally, act immediately. Every day counts in August planting. This month offers remarkable opportunities. Fast-growing vegetables like radishes, lettuce, spinach, and beets, flavorful herbs including cilantro, dill, and parsley, vibrant ornamental options like pansies, mums, and ornamental kale, plus cold-loving greens such as arugula, kale, and bok choy. The formula is straightforward: plant strategically using frost dates as your guide, select rapid growers, and revitalize your garden for one final productive push. While many gardeners overlook this period, you're now equipped to transform August into one of your most bountiful months. The time is now. Get outside, connect with the soil, and secure the rewarding fall harvest your garden is capable of producing.